Hi, I'm Jamie, and welcome to New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're in North Las Vegas, Nevada with Beazer Homes at the Hawthorne at Sedona Ranch community. We'll be taking a look at the Sienna model. Let's get started.
Hi everyone, welcome to Beazer Homes Sedona Ranch. I'm Rob Tudell, General Sales Manager, and I'm so excited to show you what we're building here at Sedona Ranch. In fact, let's meet the new home sales counselor, Renee Hack. Renee!
Hi!
How are you?
Good!
So excited to see your homes. Tell us a little bit about Sedona.
Awesome! We have 5 floor plans here at Sedona Ranch. We have 3 single stories and 2 two-stories. We've got the Summit is modeled, and our very popular Sienna plan, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes, is our second model. Come on, let's go check them out.
Outstanding. Let's go look.
So here we are at our Sienna floor plan. This is our most popular selling 2-story plan. It comes standard with a 3-car garage. We also have 20-foot driveways here at Sedona Ranch, and they come with pavers. We have landscaping included in the front yard, and 3 different elevations to choose from on the front of your home, which include a couple of variations with stone. Let's go see what's inside. We're inside the Sienna. It's a 3,166 square foot home. It comes standard as 4 bedroom, but we have a 5th bedroom option, giving you 1 full bedroom and bath on the first floor. Let's go look. So here you have the option to add that bedroom, which we did include in our model, or it would be an even larger great room. Now let's talk about one of my favorite things about Beazer Homes. It's our surprising performance. Our homes are built really well. We wrap them in a Tyvek wrap. That's kind of like a FedEx envelope, and then we blow a green cellulose insulation down into the walls. Our attic is wrapped as well. So this helps with dust reduction, noise reduction. As you can tell, we're inside and there's construction going on all around us. And then it helps keep utility bills low throughout the year. There won't even be more than a 10-degree difference in temperature between your first floor and your attic, where that furnace works all summer long. We also keep our vents in the middle of the rooms because we don't have anything to mask by the windows. We have a lot of other features that help create the energy efficiency of our home, and I hope you'll come by so I can show you more. Then over here, we have this beautiful kitchen in the Sienna. This large island comes standard in the Sienna. And we have various different granites and quartz countertops that you can choose from. We also have choice plans here at Beazer Homes. You'll have 2 variations of a kitchen and a master bath that you can choose from at no additional cost. So in this model, it's as simple as having this long rectangular island, or an option to have a more angled island over here in the corner, changing your living space. It's whatever meets your family's needs. Now we're upstairs, and we've got continued living space on our 2nd floor. This is a very spacious loft, and it can be used for more family entertainment, an in-home office, or even converted into a 6th bedroom, whatever you need. And then over here, we have our 4th bedroom upstairs, which is really nice because it's a mini suite. It has its own private bathroom inside the bedroom. Now let's continue the tour down this way, where we have our other 2 spare bedrooms sharing this full bath. And while you look around, I'm going to tell you something else that's really amazing about Beazer Homes. We don't own a lender here at Beazer Homes. We have a program called Mortgage Choice. We have 4 lenders that will compete for your business. And in doing so, it saves you thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Down here we have our laundry room. It's a full-size laundry room on the 2nd level, so you don't have to go downstairs for the chores. It also has the option to put in a laundry sink. And right down here is the master suite. Now when you come into the master bathroom, we pick up on our choice plans again. We have the option of doing a tub shower combination or an oversized shower. Each plan changes the layout slightly depending on which option you choose, but it's at no additional cost and it's whatever meets your lifestyle. Back here we have a walk-in closet. Feel free to look around. I hope you enjoyed your tour of my favorite plan, the Sienna. Now don't forget, we have 4 other floor plans here at Sedona Ranch. We also have 2 quick move-ins. One is our single-story Willow, and we have a quick move-in of this very floor plan, the Sienna. Call me for details. Let's go back downstairs and see Rob.
Renee, thank you again for showing us the homes here at Sedona Ranch. They are fantastic. We hope you'll want to make one of these beautiful homes yours. Please know too that we are CDC compliant. Your safety and health and welfare are of utmost importance to us at Beazer Homes. So we look forward to seeing you. In fact, Renee, tell the kind folks how to get in touch with us.
Sure, just call us 702-857-8368. We're available for privately guided tours. We also have virtual tours online and I can guide you through it. Again, that phone number is 702-857-8368. I look forward to showing you around Sedona Ranch.
To learn more about this community, click the link in the description and stay tuned for more new home showcases.